Stick until the end for a giveaway. What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll just be going over the equipment that I use to create these YouTube videos and answer some of your guys' questions on what gear I use. Now, I don't know why this question has been asked so many times, because I do include a list and link in the description box of every single one of my videos. But regardless, some of my friends have been asking me, so this is my response to you guys. Let's start off with the camera. So the camera obviously is one of the more important pieces of equipment for video content, and the camera that I'm filming with is the GH5S. If I were to describe this camera just briefly, I would just say it's a mini cinema camera, because this is truly a powerhouse in a brick. It's a workhorse and it is amazing. I love this camera so much. Now for some details, I shoot in 24 frames because that is the most natural frame rate our eyes perceive motion. So 24 frames allows me to replicate how our eyes perceive things. I typically film in full HD, so 1080p at 8-bit, because I don't do a lot of color grading, and this is just for my YouTube. I'm not doing professional work. This camera does have the capability to shoot cinema 4K at 10-bit 422, which is ridiculous. If you didn't understand any of that, it's okay. I'm not really in the business of explaining these things to you, so if there is occasionally blurriness to this video, to my videos, it's generally because I focus a little bit further or closer than my actual face to hide my imperfections, because
I'm insecure.
And a lot of the post-production processes that I'm not really proficient at can alter the quality of the image as well. Now the lenses that I'm using currently is the Panasonic 12 to 35 f2.8. I'm shooting at the widest focal length at 12 millimeters, which is equivalent to about a 24 on a full frame sensor. I don't have a speed boost or anything. I just have the Tiffin Black Pro Mist quarter density diffusion filter, and that's what gives my videos like a nice bloomy, more analog-esque image. Yeah, that's it for the camera. I'm not gonna really go into like the rig or the extra accessories that I do have on the camera, just because they're accessories and they're not really a necessity in creating content. Moving on to my audio gear, which is the other half of good video content. Audio makes 50% of a video. I have the SM7B. It is a legendary mic, but it does not make it the best for YouTube unless you're doing voiceovers or covers, rock covers, or anything of that sort. You know, right now I am cranking up the gain just so that I can shotgun this. This SM7B is chained to a SC Electronics Dynamite DM1 mic activator. All it does is provide 15 to 20 dB of clean gain so that the audio signal from the mic is amplified. Right now it's running into the Focusrite 3rd Gen 2i2 into Logic. For the days that I'm not feeling lazy and I happen to pull out the rack, the mic signal will then go into the CL4, into a universal audio FireWire or something, into Logic. And of course in Logic I do have a chain of effects that just finalizes the entire process. And I think that's it for my YouTube rundown. Oh, the lights. So these two lights that I'm using are the Godox 3000 something. They're the LED RGB panels with the barn doors, so I can change both of these lights into any color that I want within the color spectrum. The great thing about them is that they're also daylight balanced, so when I'm creating these talking head videos for YouTube, I can have a nice clean light to light me up. Now I do have an aperture light in my closet, but I don't use that just because the softbox to diffuse the light is so big and I'm in a kind of limited space right now. Yeah, it's really simple. That's all I have, and let's get into the giveaway. So what am I giving away? I will be giving away this hoodie. Let me see if I can pull out the tag. Yeah, so it's a nice diesel hoodie. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is, of course, like this video and subscribe. But leave a comment in the comments down below. Anything that you want. For those that want a prompt, leave me some constructive criticism or feedback on how I can improve my videos and what I can do to make it better. I'll read through all of those comments with an open mind, and I'll be so thankful to everyone that does end up leaving something that I can improve on. And with that said, that is all for this video. I thank everyone who made it to the end. If you guys want to go the extra step, you can share this video, but try not to share it to people that might know me, because I'm still insecure and I don't want them to find out about my channel yet. So the existing subscribers, you guys are very special. It means I'm comfortable with you, and I appreciate you. Yeah, I think that's all. Thanks for watching. Peace.